here, mostly all of you has joined on the second session. So second Zoom session, I am going to start with some facts of our regarding to our Independence Day and regarding to our flag. Okay, so this is the first time there will not be any chief guest. This was the first time in the 2021 where there was no chief guest in the Republic Day parade. You know that there is some parades are going on the Republic Day as well as our Independence Day. Due to COVID, chief guest was not there. Now, our national flag of India is the symbol of sovereignty, integrity, and similarity. Okay, it is the pride of all the citizens of our country. The late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru called it a flag not only of freedom for ourselves, but a symbol of freedom to all people. On 22nd July 1947, the national flag was adopted by the National Assembly of India. Means before our independence, our national flag was accepted. Okay, the national flag is a horizontal tricolor flag. You all know how it is looks like, depicting three colors: saffron or kesri, that is komla we are saying in Bengali, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. And the ratio of the white of the flag of to the length is 2:3. Now here the saffron color just indicates the courage, sacrifice, and renunciation. White color shows the truth and purity, and where the dark green is the symbol of life and prosperity. Well, in the center of the white strip in this is the symbol of the progress and movement, and it has 24 spokes in it. The national flag of India by law is to be made of khadi, a special type of handspun cotton cloth or silk made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. And Supreme Court declared the right to hoist the flag as our fundamental right under the Article 19 of Constitution, 19(1)(a) of the Constitution in 2002. And our flag was designed by the Pingali Venkaiah, an agriculturalist and an Indian freedom fighter. The flag was hoisted first time by Sachindra Prasad Bose in 1906 in Calcutta, and later on the year 1907 as another tricolor flag was unfurled by Madam Bikaji Kama in Stuttgart. The first flag committee was headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The right to manufacture the national flag of India is held by Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission, which in turn allocates it to the regional group. The national flag should always be taken down in the evening at sunset. Okay, so after that, no national flag will be there on the top of our building or wherever we can. So since we are celebrating our Independence Day, I want to call Jashmeer for his performance. Jashmeer, can you unmute yourself? Jashmeer, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Jashmeer, please go through with your song.
Okay, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Wait. बतन बतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, बतन बतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मेरी याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मेरी याद रहे, वतन 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 मेरे वतन, तू मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, फौज में जहाँ भी मेरी बुनत रहे तुझी से राखी में जहाँ भी मेरी बुनत रहे तुझी से. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so Jasmeer, I want to call next Rajveer for his song performance. Rajveer, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
tell a song with an introduction speech.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely. Please go ahead with your performance.
Respect my teachers and love my friends. Today, we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our state. Our independence is the legacy of our ancestors given to us. We should be responsible enough to carry forward. On this auspicious occasion, I pay my homage to my little performance to the martyrs and the patriots who sacrificed their lives for the cause of our motherland. हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे मर जाएंगे मर जाएंगे मर जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे मर जाएंगे मर जाएंगे मिट जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे गोली खाएंगे दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है
Okay, it was a really a nice performance with speech and song both together. Next, I want to call Sifa for her recitation. Sifa, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am saying
Yes.
Independence Day. On this Independence Day, we remember the year past. We honor this very day from for our flag. Old glory has lost. On this Independence Day, 2 centuries ago, we declare our independence for justice and liberty. Let us celebrate with joy and honest. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next here I want to call Mahereen. Mahereen, are you present? Okay, so Mahereen is not present, I think so. Good morning. So Mahereen is not present. So here I want to skip her performance. Next, I want to call Rito Prabhu. Rito Prabhu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Rito Prabhu, please just go with your performance.
Okay. Good morning, respected teacher and dear friends. Today I am going to say a few lines on our Independence Day. We remember the day with the sacrifice of our brave Indian freedom fighters. When India got independent, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled our tricolors national flag at Red Fort and Lowry Gate in Delhi. From that day and onwards, this day is celebrated as Independence Day. The owner of the days the owner is solemn occasion. Many programs dedicated at Redford like March Past by our Indian soldiers. 21 gunshots are fired for the beginning of events and cultural activities by school students. Kite flying has also done as the tradition of Independence Day celebration with kites of various sizes, shapes, and colors filling in the sky. On this auspicious day, our Honorable Prime Minister first hoisted the flag at historic Red Fort in New Delhi and reciting our national anthem Jana Gana Mana and delivering his annual speech. Most importantly, at the beginning of the address,
toilet, ma'am.
he praised and remembered all our freedom fighters to whom struggle makes us independent and our country become an independent country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Rita Prabhu, for your nice short speech. Here, I want to call next Arsh for his performance on the Independence Day. Arsh, can you hear to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arsh, please
Good
proceed.
morning, everyone.
Arsh, you are
Good
muted.
morning, everyone. Today, no, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes, I am. Okay, I hope that network is issuing for Arsh.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I am. You want to say anything?
Celebrating 75th Independence Day. I recite a poem. India is my pride. Dr. Prashant Ghat. I pledged my life to nation right when I was born. If my situation are by the hangings from the idol, I ice my shoulder with love in every breath. The tricolor and the shoulder to brighten up its future.
I think that for network, Arsh is just repeatedly joining and disconnecting. Okay, Arsh, can you hear me? Arsh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Arsh, then you do one thing. You just means resume your performance from your end. Voice is not coming very much properly. I'm really very sorry that I'm resuming your performance. But if in the end your network is good, I will definitely give you one more chance. Okay. So going to the next here, Munir. Munir, can you sing a song?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So next year, I want to skip this performance too. Next, I want to go to Saman. Saman, can you just
Yes,
can you deliver your speech?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Morning to our respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I going to give a speech about our Independence Day. India got independence on 15 August 1947 after total countries of British rule. India got its independence after 100 years of freedom struggles. This day is celebrated every year on 15 August to commemorate the freedom fighters of Indian have fought from Indian independence. And this day, we all Indians sing our national anthem to give respect our national flag and our freedom fighters. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Saman, for your nice and short speech. Next year, I want to call Sohail. For Sohail, can you hear to me?
Thank you,
Sohail,
ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Sohail, please go with your speech.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today is 15 August. We are celebrate Independence Day.
Okay, here I want to say you few things, Sohail. Today is not 15th August. 15th August is our Independence Day, but we are celebrating it before the Independence Day. Okay, so today's date is 11th August. Please proceed.
Good morning, everyone. Today is 10 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We get freedom on this day. We hoist national flag on this day. We sing national anthem Janagana Mana. Independence Day is the celebrate of our freedom. This year we are celebrate our 75 Independence Day. It is a public holiday and it is with full enthusiasm. Later be proud of to be our Indians. Happy Independence Day.
Okay, happy Independence Day to all of you. So this week is our Independence Week. Throughout this week, we will perform many activities. Okay, so next year I want to call Nadim. Nadim, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nadim, please go ahead with your speech.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teacher, parents, all are dear friends. And I would like to use you all happy Independence Day. We are celebrating Independence Day. It is big day for India citizens. India became independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. He bore national flag of this day. Everybody flying sing the national anthem. Independence Day is the celebrating of the freedom. We should feel proud to be India.
Yes, Nadim, please proceed. Nothing more to say? Okay, please end your speech with a thank you. Okay, thank you, Nadim, for your participation. Next, I want to call, Amina is not there, so I want to call Ruksar and Nisat. Ruksar and Nisat, can you hear me? Can you unmute yourself? Okay, thank you. So please perform. Please speak in English. Yes, please start.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, can you
What?
Ma'am, hello everyone. And dear friends, I am Mr. Parveen and I am Dushar Khatun. We write a Hindi poem, Desh Hamara, written by Kamla Khan. देश हमारा सबसे प्यारा ये संग की शीतल धारा उत्तर पर्वत राज हिमालय भारत माँ का राज हिमालय दक्षिण में रह सागर लहराता भारत का ये कनकाता दर्शाता है सूरज सोना है डबले हंसता चाँद सलोना जगमग जगमग तारे करते बन पवन मन सबका हरते ऋतुओं का लगता तेरा सुंदरता का यहाँ बसेरा कश्मीर की सुंदर घाटी पवन है भारत की माटी ये भारत है देश हमारा सबसे प्यारा धन्यवाद.
Okay, thank you, Duksar and Nisar, for your nice performance. It was really a nice. Amina, can you hear me? Amina, can you hear me? So you please just proceed with your performance.
Okay, ma'am. देखो बच्चों झंडों प्यारे तीन रंगों की मिल है सारा सदा करो तुम झंडे इसका मान कभी ना करो इसका अपमान. देखो बच्चों काम है ये सारा झंडा की है देशों की सारा.
Okay, so thank you, Amina, for your participation. I am honest. Please, Amina.
Our motherland, India is Independence Day on 15th August in 1947. Many freedom fighters their fight for our project.
Okay, so here I want to just, Amina, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your participation. So here I want to call any one of you. You are going to perform anything else, or 5 more minutes. I will just tell you some facts about our country. I hope that no one is interested more to participate. So let me just tell you some facts from means of our country. Okay. Now our national, we will end our program with our national anthem, right? So our national anthem was adopted only in 1950, means 1950. At the time of independence, India did not have an official national anthem. The song Bharata Bhagya Vidhata, composed in 1911 by Rabindranath Tagore, renamed as Jana Gana Mana, and adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India as the national anthem on 24th January 1950. Means much after independence, we got our national anthem, right? Next here, Lord Mountbatten chose 15th August as our Indian Independence Day. Okay, though it was Indian Independence Act was approved on 18th July 1947, Lord Mountbatten chose 15th August as the date of Indian independence as it coincides with the date of Japan surrendering to the Allied forces after World War II. Okay, this was a really fun fact, right? Because we didn't know, we thought that yes, the struggle ended at that time. That is why 15th August is our an independent day. But that time, if you are going back to our history, you will see that that time World War II was also ended, and Japan was the means of course, and there was many incident in between. And since Japan surrendered on that day, it was considered as our Independence Day. Our song Vande Mataram was a part of a novel written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and the name of the novel is Anando Mott, which was written in 1880, means much before independence. This song was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896, and Vande Mataram was adopted as national song on 24th January 1950. Means our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and our national song is Vande Mataram. Now, and one more fun fact: the Radcliffe Line was officially published on 17th August and 1947. Now, what is Radcliffe Line? In between India and Pakistan, we are having the borders, right? If you have visited Amritsar, you must have gone to Wagah border. Personally, I have visited over there. So there, that line which is separating India from Pakistan, that is known as Radcliffe Line, because that person who made that line happen made our India made our India smaller, made Pakistan, Bangladesh. That time not Pakistan and Bangladesh. That time East Pakistan and West Pakistan. So that line known as the Radcliffe Line, and our national. And can anyone tell me that our national anthem is wrote by whom? Just now I told.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, Rabindranath Tagore was Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. So here we want to end the program over here because much time is not there. So I am giving you 2-minute time. Please stand by keeping your phones and everything nicely in some space. Okay, just arrange it nicely. Unmute yourself. So, Dipal, please keep your mouth shut. Okay, thank you everyone. Dipal, please stand. नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब
सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा
वृंद
हिमाचल जमुना गंगा
उच्चल
उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाके
तब
शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे Okay, it's really nice. Rajveer, picture is not visible. Yes, thank you. Sayam, you haven't drawn anything. Hold your national flag. Hold your national flag. If you haven't drawn anything. Okay, Munir did one craft. Very nice. Okay, thank you everyone for your participation. Okay, we hope that on our 15th August, when it will come, that day also we will just respect our country as well as respect our national flag and national anthem. So we are a proud citizen of India and we will be a proud citizen of India until our last breath. Thank you everyone for your kind participation. I am just ending this class, ending this session over here. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.